Hey everyone, Benson Wang. I am the co-founder of SL Hospitality or Serious Leisure Hospitality. We own and operate 3 restaurants in San Francisco and a hotel in Sonoma County.
My name is Louisa Rechter. I'm the co-founder of Mestiza, New York, and we offer elevated couture-like garments at an accessible price point. Everything's always under $1,000.
My name is Tory Woodward. I am the co-founder of WESTCA Gym with my wife, Meaghan Karabatsos. Once we shut the doors, we transitioned to more of an online model.
We've all heard the story. Small businesses are the lifeblood of our economy. You all are doing something different and interesting and finding different ways to tackle some of the operational challenges that we're having, using social media and staying connected with your communities and your customers on a regular basis.
Benson, how are you showing your appreciation to your customers?
My friends put together a virtual dinner on Zoom, and they encouraged everyone to order from our venues. And during that, I said, hey, why don't I host a cocktail class just out of appreciation? And I'll teach everyone how to make a cocktail. One of my buddies messaged me back and said, can you send us those kits? We don't have access to all this. And in the first day where we launched our virtual happy hour, we sold about 100 kits because there were a lot of people that wanted that same experience and that same immersive experience that they're used to when they come in. The one piece of advice I would give to a business owner going real time to online is authenticity. I would say be true to yourself, be true to your brand.
So Tory, how did you use virtual technology to continue serving your customers?
We started offering Zoom personal training sessions, which have been going great. We've had lots of members that wanted to continue to push themselves and stay on a healthy path, so they transitioned over to Zoom training sessions. For our members that did not transition over to Zoom training sessions, what we've been doing is having one of our trainers put together a daily workout. Monday through Thursday, we send a fresh workout to all of our members.
Louisa, how did you respond to your community's needs?
As we were putting ourselves out there and hearing stories from our customers about, how they're stuck at home as moms, we decided, why don't we give back to the community and our community of customers by offering free fashion illustration classes. We can take an hour out of the day where the kids are learning something that they're not taught in school, or maybe something that they're really passionate about. When we started posting this on the internet, we got over 400 signups in like 2 days.
Meaghan, how are you working with other businesses in your network?
I'm a really big believer in your network, whether you're an individual or a small business or a large business. Your network can really kind of make or break you. We share information with friends of ours that own nail salons, that own clothing companies, that own tanning studios. We actually recently did a giveaway with 3 other companies online, where we just promoted each other on our social media pages just to help each other get exposure, because we're all going through the same hardships right now.